Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today, we will discuss important MCQs of history. So, the first question is, which of the following statements are correct with respect to August offer? First, it explicitly offered dominion status for India. Second, a constituent assembly to be set up after the war where Indians would decide the constitution. Third, it provided for the majority of Indians in expanded Viceroy's Executive Council. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 2 only, D 1 and 3 only. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the correct answer of this question is option A 1, 2 and 3. So all these three statements are correct with respect to August offer. So you should know about August offer, when it was introduced, what was the points of August offer, who offered that August offer. So in this way you can prepare about August offer and pre and post event related to August offer. So you should have knowledge of that also. So this was all about question number 1. Let us discuss question number 2. Consider the following statements with respect to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. First, large crowd gathered at Jallianwala Bagh to protest against the arrest of Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. Second, after the incident, Mahatma Gandhi formed Satyagraha Sabha to organize an all India hotel against the massacre. Third, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood in protest of this incident. 4. After the Hunter Commission report, the House of Lords had voted against Dyer's action in Jallianwala Bagh. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 2 and 4 only, B 2, 3 and 4 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 4 only. So, you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C 1 and 3 only. So that means statement 2nd and 4th is wrong. So I'll tell you why statement 2nd is wrong. So in February 1919, Mahatma Gandhi founded the Satyagraha Sabha, whose members took a pledge to disobey the Rowlatt Act and thus took court arrest and imprisonment. Hence statement 2nd is not correct. About statement number 4, why it is not correct. So the Hunter Commission was appointed by the government to inquire into the Punjab disturbances. It was just an eyewash that the House of Lords had voted in favor of General Dyer's action, and that the British public had demonstrated its support by helping the Morning Post collect £30,000 for General Dyer. Hence statement 4 is not correct, while statement 1 and 3 is correct about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So you should know what was the pre-event before Jallianwala Bagh. So Jallianwala Bagh massacre, who were the prominent figures that were involved in Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and how British condemned this protest, and what's the name of that committee or commission who formed just after this Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and what was the recommendations of that commission report. So in this way you can prepare Jallianwala Bagh massacre issue. So this is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So now let us discuss question number 3. With reference to Lucknow Pact, a pact of unity between Indian National Congress and Muslim League, consider the following statements. First, both Congress and Muslim League put forward a joint scheme of political reforms. Second, it demanded Swaraj at an earlier date. Third, the two organizations rejected separate electorate. So, which of the statements given above is or are not correct? Option A, 2 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 3 only. D, 1 and 3 only. So, you have to tell the not correct statement. So, the answer of this question is option C, 3 only. So, 3 only is not correct while others are correct. So, it accepted the principle of separate electorate, thus, it left the way open to the future resurgence of communalism in Indian politics. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. So, you should know what Lucknow Pact is and why this pact was done, who were the participants in Lucknow Pact, and pre-important events like 1909 Act and whatever happened in 1913 and 14. So you should know about that also, and the important decisions that were taken by Indian National Congress in its 1916 session. So you should know about that also. So this was all about question number 3. So here is question number 4. Which of the above mentioned political groups did not participate in the Quit India movement? First, Muslim League. Second, Hindu Mahasabha. Third, Communist Party of India. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3 only. So you have to tell the correct answer. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. I'll tell you the correct answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So these Muslim League, Hindu Mahasabha and Communist Party of India all did not participate in the Quit India movement. So you should know who participated in the Quit India movement and who did not participate in that movement. So likewise, you can read about who were the prominent leaders that participated in Quit India movement. This movement is very very important, and in 2021 prelims this was asked in the prelims examination, and in previous years also, maybe in 2019 or 2018, one question was asked from this movement only, Quit India movement. So you should prepare this movement holistically from standard sources. So now let us discuss the final question of this video, that is question number 5. So consider the following statements regarding the individual satyagraha. First, Gandhiji was the first person to offer individual satyagraha. Second, the main aim of individual satyagraha was to embrace Britain's war effort. So which of the statements given above is or are not correct? Option A, 1 only. B, 2 only. C, both 1 and 2. D, neither 1 nor 2. So you have to tell the correct answer. So I mean not correct answer, because not correct is asked in this question. So not correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. So in October 1940, Gandhiji gave the call for a limited satyagraha by a few selected individuals. The satyagraha was kept limited so as not to embarrass Britain's war effort by a mass upheaval in India. Hence, statement number 2 is not correct. While statement number 1, Vinoba Bhave was the first to offer satyagraha. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. So you have to tell in the comment section that who was the second satyagrahi in individual satyagraha. So you have to tell that in comment section. So this topic is very important also, individual satyagraha. So you can read about this topic in detail from standard books. So This was all about today's video, and you have to write down the second satyagrahi who was involved in individual satyagraha. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.